Oh my god, guys, look at this, look at my coins and diamonds. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for Cooking Fever, absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Zweek, then type in search Cooking Fever and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now just click install now and let's wait a little bit, okay, for this installing, guys. This working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. Just wait for this installing and follow my instructions to get your unlimited coins and spins. So let's see the next step. Okay, guys, now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting, okay? And let's see the next step. Nice, guys, verification complete. Next step, checking home screen. Okay, so let me check, guys. Look at this. I download TikTok, Travel Town, and I get this Cooking Fever icon. So let me open and let's see, guys. Okay, this is the new mode and let's see, does it actually work? Okay, I don't want this. Oh my god, guys, look at this, look at my coins and diamonds. Look at this, guys, amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.